Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to rename a YouTube channel, how to edit or rename a YouTube channel. Firstly, before we start, if you're new on this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification button for more videos. And don't forget to like and comment on this particular video. We love you. Okay, let's get started. In case if you want to rename your YouTube channel, all you got to do is to go to your channel. Click on your channel. Here's your channel. Then go to customize channel here. Once you click on customize channel, it's loading. The network is a bit bad, no problem. It will load. Okay, let's proceed. Then you move to basic info. Basic info here. Click on basic info. So here is your channel description, your channel link, and co. Like in case you want to copy your channel link, if you want to add a link, understand these are other stuff. But what we are going straight to today is how to edit the channel name. This is my channel name, Online Legit Hustle. So if you want to edit this name, all you got to do is to click on this pencil. Once you click on this pencil, you see it. You can edit it to anything else. You can edit it to legit or anything. So like, let me just do it then. Let's do it. I want to come out this, remove this hustle. Let it just be Online Legit. Okay. Once you finish, just click on this, publish. Immediately, the thing will go back. The thing will change to the new name that you just updated. Let me go back to my channel so that you confirm it. As you can see, the name have already changed to Online Legit. Okay, because this is not the name that I want for my channel. I just did a tutorial so that you can learn how to rename your channel. So I'm going to take it back to the normal settings as it was before this tutorial. Just the same way that I did it before, that you're going to do it again. Just come to your basic information, then click on the pencil, understand, and edit your name the way that you want it to be. Okay. Then once you finish, click on publish. That's all. So guys, if this video really helped you, comment and click on the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We love you. We create videos every day, and you can't afford to miss any of them. So thank you. Remain blessed. Bye.